everyone, welcome back again. My name is Roshna, and in the previous video I told about what is an IT company and what are the skills required to get a job in an IT company. So the one most important skill that one need to have to become a software engineer is coding skills. Yeah, coding skills are really very important. So I'll be telling you some useful websites which will help you to practice coding and improve your coding skills and also get conceptual understanding. And the first one is Code Academy. Code Academy helped more than 24 million students learn how to code, and the best part is that it will be having custom recommendations like they'll be asking you some simple questions, so according to that they can know that at which level are you at doing coding. According to that you will be getting clear guidance on how to start, where to start and what to learn next according to their structured path. You can also build some projects which will help you to add a weight in your resume. Code Academy also provides community support. If you have any doubts or if you get stuck while coding, you can ask your doubts or post your doubts there and you can get clarified with pro members who are good at coding. And due to this COVID crisis, it's also providing you some free courses, so you can enroll in those free courses and improve your coding skills. And the second one is HackerRank. If you are preparing for coding exams like TCS CodeVita, Hack with Infi and many other, this will be really very useful website to you to improve your coding skills. It follows the similar pattern which is similar to the coding exams. So they'll be providing you some challenges, so we need to solve those challenges and pass all the test cases. We solve challenges in HackerRank. Firstly, we need to open a HackerRank website, and then for developers click on the sign up and code, and then if you need to sign up, if you already signed up, then you can click on login option and then you can log in. See here you can find the dashboard. You can solve these challenges and get certified. Here we can see 30 days of code. You can also solve challenges on C language, on Python. For example, you can click on this Python language. See here we can find many challenges to solve. If you want to solve challenges on particular topic, you can click on strings, for example, and then see you'll get challenges related to strings concept and you can solve these challenges. And the third one is Stack Overflow. It is a question and answer site. If you are having any questions related to programming or if you get stuck while coding, you can ask your questions there. There is a maximum chances that you can find your answers there related to programming in detail. And the fourth one is Geek for Geeks. If you want conceptual understanding, then this will be really very useful website, so you can go and get your concepts clear. You can also download this app. You can also find there some MCQs and coding questions related to product-based companies such as Amazon, Microsoft, Adobe, etc. And you can also find many articles like example, how to get a job in a product-based company. And the fifth one is Hacker Earth. In this Hacker Earth, you can learn from tutorials and then you can practice problems. See, you can learn data structures, algorithms, machine learning, Python. See, it is well organized. You can find tutorials related to input and output and you can learn from these tutorials, and then you can solve problems related to input and output, and you can solve on the topics you need. The sixth one is SoloLearn. You can download that app if you want to make your basics strong. And the seventh one is Udacity. In this we'll be having lot many courses and most of them are paid, and it also has some free courses. As in the course, everything will be organized, so you can learn topics sequentially. GitHub is an open source. Like if you want any software, what we need to do is we need to create an GitHub account and then we can access that software freely. And the good thing is that it allows multiple users to work together and the large projects can be handled effectively, and it is really easy for project management. So by this we can gain lots of knowledge, and GitHub helps every team member to work together on a project from anywhere, and it makes easy for them to collaborate. So every software developer will definitely have an GitHub account. So these are the websites and the apps which will help you to improve your coding skills. If you think this video is useful, you can hit that like button, you can also share, you can also comment, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe. And I'll be back soon again with another new video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.